So who or what influenced you to cook rap? To start this journey?
Well, to be honest, you know, I'm a person that long time that used to like video. You see it. So where me just like video. So I used to do video and little thing and put up, but I used to like to do like comedian videos.
Alright.
That is the type of video me like. But it happened where Simon come in Jamaica and me give him a tour of a little farm. And he's like, him stay here and I cook some food, give him, and I cook some food, give him, and just tell the world. So yeah, Sunrise, a chef. So it happened where I used to love cook long time too, so. And
also the name as well. Where should the name come from? Sunrise.
Because
Sunrise
you see
TV.
the sunrise every morning.
Alright.
Yeah, every morning you see the sunrise. Yeah,
with an amazing view.
With an amazing view, for real.
Can't go wrong with that, bro.
Can't go wrong, yeah man.
Yeah man, nice bro, nice.
So we just there here go and do cooking, you know what I mean? Check out all my channel, Jamaica Sunrise TV. You see journey. Yeah man, from 2016, 2017 come up, you see journey.
Yeah man, the link is in the description, guys. No joke. You know what I mean? Amazing person, amazing chef. You know what I mean? I've seen the food, I haven't tasted it yet, but for what I've seen so far and the comments were, you know what I mean? People have come here and the comments they leave behind, you can tell, you know what I mean? The food is amazing. So, you know what I mean? There's no doubt. And yeah man, you know what I mean, he got his troopers around us doing an amazing job. I mean, they're a bit nervous now, so I know it's them that do them best. Joe and Mexico, they're doing the best.
I'm done there, so everything I go good, you know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah.
And everything I taste good, you know what I mean?
Without a doubt.
Yeah man, fully see fish that I'm a line up. So you want fish to fry? Well, to be honest, you know, what people love me like to give them and then them pleased with it. Cause for instance, he's like, hey, you know that I really love fried fish.
What kind of fish you like?
No more than take it fried though.
What kind of fish you like?
Steam.
Steam. What kind of fish do you like, Sunrise?
I steam me that go for too.
Steam. What kind of fish you like, Mike?
Yeah, I'm back your whole two of them.
Yeah.
Steam all the way.
Sydney, what kind of fish do you like?
Yeah, steam. Okay.
Steam. Alright then. Steve is saying that. You Steve says Steve with okra. Alright.
Right, the fry now come to me like you take out of the
Exactly. Exactly.
No, brother.
Yeah.
No,
Never fried chicken, never fried dumpling.
Yeah.
No, for real, you come and take out everything out of the food, brother. Give me steam, brother. Some nice okra and some.
Yeah, because you taste, you know, you taste it, you know, the real thing.
You know, want taste, brother. A seaside will come from, you know. So you know when the fish come like, you know, there's something there, so steaming like best thing. I either put it on the grill and take it out of the water, the sea water, that's how we do it. We just throw it on the
So now, so what we're going to do, guys, cleaning the fish up.
Oh, wow, beautiful.
Yeah man, so you have to clean out everything inside, you know?
Yeah. So, can you eat this bit?
No, that can't.
Not fried.
You can't, no.
Them here is the fish belly, like the tripe and the gut and all them something there.
So you have to take that out.
Yeah man, you have to take out, and this is the gill.
And just scale it.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. So all of them there have to take out.
So what happened if you eat that?
You know, I don't really know what happened if you eat that. But I think that go eat. No, don't feel safe.
I don't feel so either.
Look up fast for your life.
You know, so why you have to cut that bit off?
You know, this is a piece of bone though, you know?
Is it?
It's tough.
Okay.
Yes, so you have to cut it off.
Yeah, man. It's rock hard.
Yeah, man.
And so you can't eat that then, no?
Can't eat because it's on the skin.
Okay. Brother improvised cutting board right there.
And him have 3 cutting board in the kitchen, but you don't know a yard man.
No man, a yard man style man.
Bad chef in our kitchen.
Active outside. Yeah man, that's it.
Lovely, yeah?
Yeah man. Curry the water.
Curry goes on the go.
Yeah man, fry up with some ginger and some bun curry, garlic, onion.
That look really nice, man.
Yeah man, and it's gonna taste nice. You know, go salt, you know, go pepper. I'm a teacher craft and cooking.
Alright.
You see like how you cook all the pot down, you have your yam and your banana, some natural food, and you cook all the goat here, so. you can just take some water from that pot and throw in this.
Okay, what you do it, you know?
Yeah, man. That me I go do.
Alright.
But at first, I have to get something like a scoop that me can use to take up the water.
Yeah,
I thought it was going to use your hand, yardman style.
Oh,
Yeah, that's what you said all
you're
along.
ready to do that one day.
You're ready to do that?
Yeah, man.
You know, it's better to use the water from here than just normal water. Yeah?
And even so, if I want some of that water, nice to drink.
Yeah.
The pot water.
Are you going to drink it now?
Yeah, as soon as it start to boil up back,
Yeah.
I give you some in a cup and you taste it. It's all natural food that comes from the earth.
So just like soup then?
Yeah.
Alright.
See, look at the curry now, pretty. Take it time simmering down.
Guys, I won't lie to you, the food looks amazing.
Go on the taste.
Trust me.
Good.
You know what I mean? I'm not even tasted it yet. I get a bit of light in there. Yeah, guys, I'm not even tasted it yet, but trust me, looking really good. I'm sweating like mad. Yeah, I don't know what these boys do, but yeah, the man them look so cool. You know what I mean, man? I'm not even sweating, bro. Nah, because I haven't, because I haven't acclimatized yet, man. That's why. You know, but yeah, man.
Excuse for the fry.
I mean, food is coming on slowly but surely, you know.
Yeah, man.
Looking good so far, so yeah. So why didn't put this one inside straight away?
Oh well, to be honest now, the meat gonna take a time to cook, cause it's good, it's tough. So if you are gonna throw in all of the Irish and the carrots and all of that, by the time the goat for cook, all of these gonna mash out in the pot. And so you don't want that. So you just put on the goat, whatever meat you cook, you just put it on and wait till when it cook. You throw in them here, stir fry the pot, then you throw in some water and make the gravy. You're gonna see in a couple of minutes from now. Right. Yeah, man.
Yeah, so I was saying I have a channel, you guys. It's Sydney Diamond, so it's Sydney like Australia and Diamond. Maybe the link will be somewhere, but yeah, so I have some cooking videos and some touring videos. So yeah, these guys are here. They're gonna try the food, so yeah, we're happy to have them.
Yeah, definitely. And I know you can't wait to taste Sunrise Boss food.
Yeah, it's
like you haven't had it before.
I know. Yeah, but every time it's a little different. So yeah, some Percy's here and Uptown's here, so the food's gonna be different, you guys.
And so what type of content do you create it?
Like different stuff, like traveling around Jamaica, little vlogs, some cooking stuff. I'm trying to learn to cook too.
Ooh.
So, yeah, I have some videos I made like that, but I haven't posted them yet because I want to make sure it's good. That one's hard. One's hard. I'm more doing like chicken and pork, but that'll come later.
Hey, just let you know, I struggle with that as well.
Yeah, it's hard.
Yeah,
We're trying to find. Actually, yesterday we found an ackee tree, but everyone went in the morning and they got it down. So like by 8 o'clock, it's already gone. So yeah, maybe you guys are gonna see that soon.
Nice. I'm looking forward for it.
Okay, sounds
nice
good.
one. You have to keep the meat on for
the goat tough. It all depends. Most you buy some goat and it's soft, and then you buy some again and it's tough. So to be honest, you just have to cook the goat until it cook.
Okay, so roughly you're talking like what, half an hour?
Sometimes half an hour. Well, this I know, to be honest, I just taste it. This need at least the next 30 minutes on the high fire.
So comes the taste meat and you don't show me that? Yeah?
Well, I saw you go. You show me a taste again.
So right, you're both sneaky, you know, you take out all the meat and eat it.
Yeah, man, fully outside. See, man, I got this, man. Yeah, man, just throw a little water and now you make him go and cook down because it's tough enough, guys. Very, 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 very tough. Yeah, man. And this food pot done cook and I go and keep warm. And wait for the curry goat to mash it up. Yeah, man. Fully outside and this. I put in some rice and I with some coconut milk, so I want the pumpkin to boil out. You know what I mean? Because it's all about the pumpkin rice. And over here, so you know, so we are going to steam some fish. Yeah, man, fully active. You know, so it's a carrying this me cooking. Yeah, man.
I can't wait for your steam.
Yeah, man, see it there? All of them are going to go in the goat pot peeps. Like to get that buzz that I want, the gravy and everything, yeah, this is gonna go in that. But chew the meat tough, you make the meat go and cook by the next 10 minutes, 8 minutes, me chew in this. A biggie. You know, I just like the okra, Irish, the carrot, and then after we put the fish pan top of it. I mean, steamed fish, that one style. See what you think about it.
Smells good. It's gonna be good. Not so close, please.
Smells good and look good. You know what I mean? I can't wait to taste it. Look absolutely fab so far, honestly. Bad man thing. Thing look good. Hey guys, this is what I'm talking about. Real authentic Jamaican food.
Like, you click on something.
Now we're gonna put the fish in now. Oh, yo, you need a bigger pan, bro. You need a bigger pan for that.
Maybe that's for me, the baby one.
Yeah, that's for you.
I think so.
That's for you, you're right.
Where you watching on your TV or your phone?
I'll put it this way.
And the president supposed to show you more.
Oh man, I can smell that. Oh,
Yeah.
that smells amazing, isn't it? Smells so good, yo.
Smells like
Honestly.
creamy.
Yeah, innit?
Yeah.
Smell really good, man. So yeah, we're just putting last fish. So that's a little one right there. So this one here for sunrise. Yeah, that little one right there, sunrise fish right there. And obviously there are others always. Oh my days. Yo, the smell from that is so amazing. Mwah. So amazing, I can't wait to taste it. Hold on, we're going in again.
Okra, onion, everything.
Okra, carrot, bit of potato. And yeah man, the whole 9 yard. Looking good, bro. Go on, Oh, that looks so yummy, yo. So good. Ain't it, Sydney?
Yeah.
She can't wait.
I can smell the goats, but that
Yeah.
smells really good.
Yeah, it's really nice, man.
God, thank you. Thank you very much, dear Lord, to bring me and my brother on this journey, Fabziy, and bring us to sunrise. Come and have a wonderful meal up in the country. So beautiful, wonderful place, nice breeze, nice scenery, lovely warm company, wonderful youth and beautiful people in the community too. Also, sunrise is a place, wonderful place to be around, and good people to be around. Father God, guide and protect us, the food that come from this beautiful land and beautiful people. Well known as nothing, Lord in Jesus. Know your Father God, and nothing. Thank you again, Father. They are those wonderful, wonderful, mighty people. In the name of the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. In Jesus' name we pray. Praise the Lord, God. Amen. Amen.
Oh man.
Yeah.
Yeah, ja.
Yeah. Yeah.
So the first piece we're gonna try then, this is gonna be what the yam, yeah? Give it a go.
We just try the banana, try the curry, wonderful.
Chef, you done,
How you go, mate?
you done yourself proud.
Alright,
That
fam.
me, sir.
Okay,
Yeah,
fam.
man.
You done yourself proud, yeah man.
Sunrise boss, you know?
Yes, brother.
Up top sunrise.
In the peppery, up and in cut up everything, like I did this when cut up the seed and everything. It was right moment.
Well, I'll make it the curry goat a taste, yeah? So this is curry goat, guys. Yo. Dog,
So dog are the
come on, man, yo. Mad.
That's the meat, and this is
Real soft, tender. Really good.
the bone itself. I mean, I tell you, the bone nice too. What you tell me to bite off meat off it?
Nice, good, good. Alright guys, if you can hear me, so this is soursop juice and dragon mixed together. Trust me when I say this, guys. No joke, really nice. Organic. You're missing out. England, America, you're missing out. Oh my day, so nice, so refreshing, smooth taste, just melt in your mouth. Can't beat that, yo. Welcome to Jamaica.